Wait. Who's there?
Jake.
Wait, come in, Jake. How are you?
I'm fine. I have here Vanessa.
Oh, okay. Come here. Get inside.
Hi.
Have a seat.
By the way, she's
Come.
Alex and
Hi,
she's
I'm
Sam.
Alex. Hello, Alex.
Hello, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Nice to meet
They're your friends?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Have a seat. Thank you. Can I offer you something or anything? You.
I'm okay.
I'm okay too. What about you? Okay. What brings you here, guys?
What?
I just
Okay,
called
okay.
them.
I'll just tell her. I've been hearing some things about you, and Jake is talking a lot of things about you. That's why we're looking forward to see you and meet you. Right?
What's about me?
You tell her.
What? What
You
I'm
tell
going to
us. You tell us.
This.
I know she's your girlfriend.
No.
That's why you're
That's
always
not
talking
true.
about her.
That's not
Oh, you're thinking that
Maybe
I'm
you did.
Jake's girlfriend. It's okay.
I know it's not true.
You're keeping it a secret.
What secret?
You don't change, Jake. Okay, let's just ignore that.
Okay, what are you guys doing?
We just came from the mall, so we plan to drop by here.
Okay. It's because of Jake.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's Jake's
Oh.
idea.
Yes.
Don't deny it.
Yes, that's true.
And
That's
wait, I heard something about you, Alex, that Jake told me last time that you're a psychologist, right?
Yeah.
And what about you, Sam?
I'm working as an army.
An army. Great. But I think that's very difficult job, right?
Yeah, it is difficult, really difficult, if you don't like it. But since it is my passion, I'm okay with it.
Oh.
Yeah, she wants it since then.
Yeah.
That's why she planned to do that.
But I've also heard from Jake that you have a friend named
Kim.
Kim?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh. Where is she?
I called her earlier, but she's not here. She's not around.
Kim is very busy.
Okay.
She's a lawyer, by the way. That's why she's always busy.
Ah, no wonder.
Yeah. Maybe there's so many cases to be solved. Nowadays, there's a lot of cases to...
Yeah.
What
I've been
about the
working with
cases?
some crimes.
Yeah. That's why Kim is very busy.
Okay, the crimes. What about the crimes? What kind of crimes is that?
Kim, the ordinary thing that she did, working with clients, you know.
And nowadays, we found out and we have observed that in our town, there's a lot of crime, especially with missing teenagers, and then their bodies are found dead and stabbed with broken
Yeah.
mirrors. You know, things like lunatic people will do.
Yeah, that's what I've been working on.
Yeah, and that's really creepy.
Do you have any suspect or any idea who is that person?
The evidences is not yet pointing out. There's no clear picture of the murderer. We're still working hard on it. Should be careful.
Yeah, I know. I should be careful. Yeah, you all guys too. You should be careful. Okay. By the way, where do you want to go after here?
Let's go to a mall. Let's go.
Can we call Kim first?
Maybe. Let's call
Because
her.
I don't want to go somewhere without Kim. She's already gone a while ago and now.
Oh, nice idea. I think you're very close to each other, right?
Yes.
We've been friends since high school.
Yeah.
Very good. I do have some friends also when I was in high school, but I think they already forget me.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
But with us, forgetting is not a thing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We still
Yeah.
find time
Yes.
together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even though we're busy, we always bond together.
So, that's it. You always remember your friends. Okay. If that's so, maybe we should go to other place. Maybe next time.
Right.
Let's
Okay.
be together.
That will be fine, especially if Kim is already present. But you should call Kim first.
Yes.
Tell her that we're going somewhere today, and if she's busy, then it's okay. Cleo is here with us.
Okay, I will just leave you for a while, guys, huh? Okay, I'll just get some drinks.
Thank you.
Oh, she looks... Yeah. I remember someone with that kind of aura and face, but I don't know where.
Can't remember.
Yes.
Reminded me of someone.
Yeah, that's why I'm staring at her for many times. But I cannot remember who that person is. I know someone looks like her, and the way she talks, I remember someone.
You don't
But
like
I
her?
don't know who that person is. You don't like her?
Yeah.
But Jake like her.
Yeah.
You are. You're denying many things to us.
Well,
Good
Although
thing
you've been
Kim
saying
is not
something.
here.
Yeah.
what?
Good thing that Kim is not here. That's what Alex said.
Yes.
And she's telling you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys, to interrupt you, but I think the water is not that cold. That's why. And also, I'm rushing. I need to go somewhere. I need to do something now. If it's okay with you guys, we can go all together. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm so
That's
sorry
good.
for that.
That's okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.